Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay, student. Welcome to science class. How are you today? I hope you're always healthy and always in a good condition. Amen. Oh, yeah, don't forget to use your mask when you go out and also drink the vitamin to keep you healthy, okay? Okay, so now I will check your attendance first. So for the student who called by me, please respond by saying present or I'm here, miss, okay? Okay. Okay, all of you are present and thank you for all of you that already attend in this meeting. So before we come to the lesson, I want to ask some question to you. But before that, let me show the picture to you. Okay, can you see the picture? Can you guess what is it? Okay, all right. It is an iron, right? So do you wondering what happens if an iron is placed in the human area? Okay, Safa, can you guess it? Okay, it will be corrosion, right? Or rusting. Okay, thank you, Safa, for answering my question. So next, I have another picture here. Yes, I'm really sure you use this every day, right? It's impossible if you don't use it. Okay, this is a clothes, right? So what happens if the clothes are put into the bleach? Okay, Melly, do you want to answer my question? Okay, right. It will be bleach, right? Okay. Or the color will be changed, become fade. Okay, or there is a white color there. So now I have another picture. Here's the last picture. So this is the paper, right? So what happened if the paper is close to the fire? Yes, you are so smart. It will be burned, right? It will be burned. So now, do you ever wondering why all those the phenomena can be happen? Like here, the iron can be rusting, the cloth will be bleaching, and the paper will be burned. So, can you guess it? Why this phenomena can happen? Anyone want to answer my question? Right, so I will choose you. I will choose one of you. So maybe Anissa. Anissa, can you answer my question? Okay, you say that there is a reaction. So what kind of the reaction, Anissa? Okay, you don't know. It's okay, Anisha. It's okay. So anyone want to complete Anisha's answer? Or you have another opinion beside Anissa? Maybe Nisha. Nisha, are you there? Okay, Nisha, you have a different opinion with Anissa or uh, did you agree with Anissa? Because there is a reaction. Okay, you don't know also the reaction. Okay, that's okay, Anisha. Nisha, I'm sorry. At least have you answer my question. Okay, it's great, Nisha. Thank you so much. So now I will clarify. Is it right what Anisha and Anissa and also Nisha said? Because there's a reaction, but what kind of the reaction that happened in those three phenomena? It is the reaction called redox reaction. So, do you ever heard about the redox reaction before? Before we learn about this term? Okay, if it's no, we will learn more about this. We will discuss more about this right now. Okay, so for the today's learning objective, I will tell you the learning objective first. So here is the learning objective. After doing the discussion, you will be able to determine the oxidation number in the chemical compound. After doing the discussion, you will be able to distinguish the concept of reduction and oxidation in the terms of increasing and decreasing oxidation numbers. And after doing the discussion, you will be able to analyze the compound nomenclature with the concept of oxidation number. And the next learning objective is, after discussing with your group, you will be able to analyze the reaction that classified as a redox reaction with the concept of oxidation number. And after discussing with your group, you will be able to apply concept of oxidation and reduction in chemical reaction in the term of oxygen loss or gain. And the last learning objective is, after discussing with your group, you will be able to present the result of your discussion about the redox reaction. Okay, then students, for learning this material, which is about the redox reaction, I will divide you into 4 groups, which consists of 3 students for each group. And I already arranged you, and here is the grouping. So this group will be your home group, okay? So for the group 1, it consists of Nisha, Anissa, and Hannah. Please, for group 1, rename your name by give 1 underscore your name. Okay, thank you. For group 2, consists of Yulianita, Safa, and Valensa. For group 2, please rename your name also. Okay, thank you. And for group 3, it consists of Rahil, Fania, and Vina. Please rename your name. All right, thank you. And for the last group, which is group 4, please rename your name for Fazla, Meli, and Anisha. All right, thank you. So this will be your home group, as I already told you before. And I have another group called expert group. So for the expert group, I want you to discuss with your own group, with your home group, who will be the representative for the expert group number 1, number 2, and also number 3. And I will give you time for discussing, 2 minutes for discuss with your home group. And you can discuss through the chat room here in the Zoom, or you can make a new group in the WhatsApp. It's up to you, the method for the discussion. So we will come back again in the next 2 minutes. So see you again. All right, students, it's already 2 minutes. Have you finished about the discussion? Okay, so I will ask the group 1 first. So who will be the representative of the expert group number 1? Okay, it will be Anissa. For group 2, Hannah. And for group 3, Nisha. Oh, I'm sorry. Nisha. All right, thank you, group 1. And for group 2, for home group number 2, who will be the representative for expert group number 1? Okay, Valensa. For group 2, Safa. And for the last group, Yuli. All right, thank you, group 2. Okay, so now for home group number 3, who will be the representative? Fania. And next, Rakil. And the last, Vina. All right. Thank you, group 3. And for the last group, Home group number 4 will be the representative. Fazla. All right, and Meli. And also the last, who? Anisha. Okay, thank you for the group 4. So, you already have the group, right? Both the home group and also the expert group. Now I will give you the rule of the discussion. So I will stop share first. So I will invite you into the breakout room for the expert group. For each expert group has a different topic for the discussion. And I will inform you later about the topic of the discussion. And I will give you 20 minutes for the discussion. And after 20 minutes, I will make a new breakout room for the home group number 1 until number 4. In the home group, please share your result of the discussion that you got from the expert group. And don't forget to prepare the media for the presentation. I will give you 10 minutes for discussing in your home group. And after 10 minutes, all of the group should explain what did you have done from the discussion. Did you get it? Or is there any question about the rule of the discussion? Anyone? All right. If all clear, now I will send you the worksheet as a guide for you to a discussion in the expert group. Okay. I already sent it into the chat room. So now let me explain a little bit about the worksheet. Wait a second. I need to share screen first. Okay, it's already up here. All right, thank you. So here is the worksheet for your discussion, the title of the redox reaction, and this is the group number and also the group member. Please fill your group number and also the group member based on your home group, okay? Based on your home group. And don't forget to fill your class. And for the discussion, for the expert group number 1, you should answer the question number 1 until number 3, okay? Only the question number 1 until number 3. And for the expert group number 2, you should answer the question number 4 until 6, okay? Only the question number 4 until 6. And for the last group, for the last expert group, you should answer the question number 7 and 8. Okay, only number 7 and 8. So for the worksheet, is there any question? Maybe there is something not clear enough. Okay, if it's enough, oh yeah, before I forget, I also need your help to assess your friend. Okay, so I need to stop the share screen first. So now let me share the screen about the peer assessment. Okay, here. So can you see again my screen? All right, thank you. So for the assessment, I want you to assess your friend which have the same group with you, both in a home group and also the expert group. For example, Anissa has the same group with Hannah and Nisha in home group and has the same group with Falin, Fania, and also Fazla in a expert group. So what Anissa needs to do is assess all of them, okay? So here is the name of the observer. So for example, here is Anissa and your class and the student's name. The student's name are the student that you assess, right? Both in a home, both your friend in a home group and also in a expert group, okay? And here is for the indicator. The indicator number 1, you can see here in the peer assessment rubric. So for the indicator number 1 is support the effort of the group as a whole. For the indicator number 2 is punctual work with with responsibilities. And the third is follow through on assigned tasks and does not depend on others to do the work. And the last indicators is listen, interact, discusses, and contributes to the group, helping the group to achieve a consensus. So you can feel here for the score, what score that she or he have for each indicators. So for the scoring, we have the score criteria here. So please give 5 for the excellent in the indicator, give 4 for good, give 3 for reasonable, give 2 for poor, and give 1 for extremely poor. Okay, so you can write here for the score. For example, in first indicator, she excellent to do this indicator, so you can give her or he 5. Okay, and after you fill all the score of the indicator, you can total of the score that he or she got. So after that, for the final score, you can times the total score that they get by times by 4. Okay, so it will be the final score that they get. So for the peer assessment evaluation, is there any question? Okay, it's already clear. All done. All right, thank you everyone. So now I will open the breakout room for the expert group. Now I will give you 20 minutes for the discussion. Please discuss kindly and find the best result for the discussion, okay? And also for the answer of the question, okay? Good luck, everyone. Okay, now I will go to the breakout room number 1, help group 1. Did you find the difficulties during the discussion? All clear? Okay, good luck for group 1. If you find the difficulties, you can directly ask me, okay? Now I will go to breakout room 2. Hello, group 2. Okay, hello. Do you find the difficulties during the discussion? It's already clear? Okay, if already clear, please continue your discussion. Okay, good luck. And if you find the difficulties, you can directly ask me, okay? All right. So I will go to the last group. Hello, group 3. Okay. Did you find the difficulties during the discussion? It's all clear? Okay, please continue your discussion, yeah? If you find the difficulties, you can directly ask me. All right, thank you. Okay, students, welcome to the main room. It's already 20 minutes. Now I will open the breakout room for the home group. Please share your result of your discussion in the previous discussion in the expert group to your member of the home group. And don't forget to prepare the media for the presentation. You can use the Canva, Google Drive, or any other platform that convenient with you for making the presentation. I will give you 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, each group should present the result of their discussion. Okay, so good luck. See you in 10 minutes. All right, student, it's already 10 minutes. Have you done for your presentation? Have you done for your presentation? All right, good job everyone. So now I will start the presentation with the group 1. Please, group 1. Okay, thank you for group 1 for presenting your result of your discussion. Please give applause of the reaction for group 1. All right, thank you. And the next is group 2. For group 2, Have you finished? All right. So you can start now. Okay, thank you for group 2. Please give applause and reaction for group 2. It's an excellent explanation. Okay, now is group 3. Please, group 3, explain your result. All right, thank you, group 3, for explaining your result of your discussion. Please give applause and also give the reaction for them. Yay. And last but not least, group 4. Are you ready? All right, so without any further ado, please, group 4, explain your result. All right, thank you, group 4, for explaining your result. It's a great presentation. Please give applause and also the reaction for them. All right, thank you. All right, thank you for all of the groups that already explained your result of your and also your explanation. It's a great performance and also the great presentation. So if you talk about the result or your answer of your presentation before, it's already clear. It's already clear and it's all of your answer is correct. Okay, so give applause to all of us. Yay. All right, so now I will give the summary for our lesson today. So the oxidation reduction or redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction that involves a transfer of electron between two species. In an oxidation reduction reaction is any chemical reaction in which oxidation number of a molecule, atom, or ion changes by gaining or losing an electron. Redox reactions are common and vital to someone the basic function of life, including photosynthesis, respiration, combustion, and corrosion or rusting. I told you about this, we already talked in the beginning, right? So anyway, students, so to make you more understand about this lesson, I will give you the quiz, and for the link, I already sent it into your chat room, so please check it now. You can submit the quiz before today's midnight, okay? So take your time. You can submit the quiz before today's midnight, okay? Do you get it? Okay, thank you, student. So before we end up the class, maybe is there anyone to ask to me about the lesson, the previous lesson about the redox reaction? Maybe there is something to needs to clarify or not clear enough. Okay, is there anyone want to ask me? Okay, thank you. If no, I wanna ask your opinion and also your feedback about today's lesson. How was the discussion? Is it interesting? So who will give the feedback or opinion about the lesson today? Okay, Melly, you want to raise your opinion? Okay, go ahead. All right, thank you for your feedback and also your opinion, Melly. Give applause for Melly. All right. So hopefully from this discussion, we can learn more, okay? Not only about the lesson, but also about how you to respect the other's opinion from the discussion, okay? So for the next meeting, we will discuss about the new topic, which is matter. So before you joining the meeting, please read the material first, okay? So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for giving me your best effort and also your participation by joining this lesson today. You are amazing today. Please give applause for all of you. Yes, and also the reaction. Okay, thank you. And I'm so sorry if I'm made a mistake. And see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, everyone.